You're welcome back to class. So today we are looking at the letter sound E. Okay, we're looking at this letter sound and its alternatives. I've written them on my board. Okay, so the letter sound E has in beam. Okay, so when you say the letter Y, when it ends a word, it makes the E sound. So we have here E, sunny. Okay, sunny. All right. Then when you say the letter E and A, it makes the E sound. Eat. And the letter E, a consonant in between and a letter E. That is two letter E and a consonant in between. It makes the E sound. We have in words like even. So today we've learnt the letter sound E and its alternative letter sound. Alright, thank you for watching my videos, and please, if you've been getting value for these videos, kindly like, share, comment. Alright, I'll be expecting your comments. Thank you.